Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, September 4th, 2025. Let's take a look at the ZND quoted to USDC on Zondacrypto. And this is daily time frame chart, Japanese candlesticks, and the particular reason we are talking about the ZND is that we have a potential to move higher on this market. Why? Well, there's a first reason here related to the trend line. We have a nice trend line breakout above the level roughly around 0.38. Local high was established at 0.41 cents. So this looks quite nice right now. What we need is another extension to the upside to confirm 100% there is a breakout above the trend line. Let's establish the range, the trading range we have right now on the market. Low 0.33, so that will act as the technical support, and the local high, obviously, despite the yesterday's high roughly around 0.41, that will act as the local technical resistance. The next important technical resistance is roughly, let's say, around this level here, 0.44, basically 45. Right, so that's the next target. If we get above the yesterday's high, the next target is 4 cents higher, 0.45, and that's the plan for the ZND. If they want to continue the trend line breakout, ultimate target is the swing high from the August 13, located at 0.50. It's obvious, so let me just mark it here like that. What can help us in this scenario is the strong RSI. So let's take a look at what is the RSI doing. Well, it went down from the extremely overbought conditions during the rally, because it's obvious we have the rally in the background. It went down to the level of 45 points on the RSI on daily time frame chart, and now it's back up towards the level of 56. So we know the RSI is positive. It's not that strong. It's relatively strong, but there is a lot of the potential to the upside, and there is no big slide towards the negative territory during this correction, right? And let's talk about the correction. Why I'd call it the correction? Because since this level 0.50 established on the August 13th, we got 3 waves to the downside done. Wave A to this low, 0.35, counter trend movement to the upside, 0.45, wave B, and wave C done at the level of 0.33. So ABC correction is a typical for the for this kind of a situation on the market, when we got some kind of a movement, counter trend movement. In the back there's uptrend, and then we got ABC, 3 waves. It's typical for the correction, 3 waves to the downside. ABC correction is done, and now in theory the market is ready to rally. But this might be a little bit more complex and time consuming correction than the simple ABC. It might be complex, right? You can see it here. We got different types of correction. We got triangle wave, we got double combo, we got triple combo. It's more complex, more time consuming corrections. However, for now, what I got ABC, okay. But for now, this movement to the upside is typical reaction after the ABC correction is done, but it's not yet confirmed, right? The market should behave like this, should bounce to the upside, fine. However, we need to see continuous development to the upside, continuous dynamic movement here, breaking particular technical resistance levels, and especially swing lows and swing high of the previous correction, right? So we need to break above 0.40, 0.45, and this will be nice confirmation that the ABC correction is done. The market is ready to continue the uptrend. What will be the outcome of this situation? How the market will behave? We need to stay calm. We need to stay focused. We need to stay in line with the market and watch it to see the confirmations of our current scenario. Because if this scenario is not as simple as it is, we will just have more deepen, more complex, more time-consuming correction to the downside, targeting first this low here at 0.28. That's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.